Wow! Rah! 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 Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've encountered a new video, a new song, a new performance, and this was done by Ariana Grande and a person called Cynthia Erivo. And this performance is called Wicked. So it's my very first time knowing about this Wicked song. I'm not sure, so I'll be reacting to this Wicked song and to see what these two women is capable of while performing this song. So one question: do anyone who's watching this video knows our Jamaican legend Bob Marley? And with that being said, let's go.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. Troubles melt like lemon drops way above the chimney tops. That's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Fly over the rainbow. Why, then why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the
Sweet. Sweet. I've known Ariana Grande from I was a youth growing up in high school. Right? She was also one of my favorite artists alongside with Justin Bieber. And I know that she can sing really good. But to see her performing and to hear what she's capable of, differently from her singing her songs in her music videos, it's astonishing. Very astonishing. Her voice is very beautiful. She's an awesome vocalist. I'm like, her vocals are crazy. Right? And also her dressing. Her dressing is very beautiful. Her dressing suits her very well. And she's just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Right? She's just perfect. Her voice is a magnificent voice.
rainbow. Why, oh why can't I? Of home, I think of a place where there's love overflowing. I wish I was home, I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. When that makes the tall grass bend into leaning, suddenly the raindrops that fall, they have a meaning, sprinkling the sea. Suddenly my world's gone and changed its fate, but I still
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess she's Cynthia. Magical. This is totally magical. I never listened or I've never heard of Cynthia before, but bro, this is an amazement. This is music. Her voice is enchantingly beautiful, bro. And yes, yes, her dressing is fascinating. Yo, oh my god, such a soft, beautiful voice, bro.
know where I'm going. I have had my mind spun around in space, and yet I've watched it growing. And I've learned that we must look inside our hearts to find a world full of love like yours was
Whoa, whoa, rah, rah, rah. Whoa, dog. Yo, yo. No, that is what I called a beautiful singing. Yo, legend says she's still on that note, carrying along. Yo, I've seen so much, I've heard so much people sing, but Cynthia singing, bro, it's totally in a different shipment. She's making such beautiful dominance. What a mind blowing voice! What a mind blowing voice! No way, bro. No goddamn way. No goddamn way she's from Earth. No way. Absolutely not.
unlimited. Together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been. Glinda dreams the way we planned them.
If we work in tandem,
There's no fight we cannot win. Just you and I defying gravity. With you and I defying gravity. They'll never bring us down. So if you care to find
Okay. Okay. Now this is melodious. This is very harmonizing. That is vocally vocalized. These two women is doing such outstanding job, bro. Bro, this is mind blowing. Dog, this is mind blowing, bro. I never heard such a beautiful thing, bro. They're like a sunset, right? In the evening breeze, right? Going beyond the dusk of dawn, right? Where it's just so peaceful. It is just so amazing. It is just so relaxing. Their voices makes that movement. Yo, this is crazy, bro.
to the western sky. Has someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity, and soon I'll match them in renown. And nobody in all of Oz, no wizard that there is.
Yo, I gotta say, I have to give Ariana Grande a special shout out to let her use the stage, to let her utilize the stage, because we all know what Ariana Grande is capable of, but I never really heard what Cynthia can do, and she's doing superbly. She's making such great and huge and impactful movement. Like, this is too gorgeous, bro.
Was is ever gonna bring me
Well done, Cynthia. Well done, Ariana Grande. She has done excellently, right? Such a magical performance. And I do love it. I do love it. And they both look amazing. She in her pink dress and Ariana Grande in her red dress, bro. They all look amazing. Very good. I love it. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction. Peace.